Good morning and welcome back to our channel. So today's topic is how to set up Jenkins on a EC2 instance. So first of all, Jenkins is a automation tool or CI/CD pipeline, which is having a programming language Java. So first of all, you have to log into your AWS account and go to the EC2 instance service. Then go to the instances part. Here we need to launch an instance. Okay, so let's name our instance Jenkins. We need only one instance. Then we need OS images Ubuntu. We need to create a Ubuntu instance. Then AMI Amazon machine image would be select here free tier 1 because our account is free tier. Instance type t2.micro and create a key pair. We'll say Jenkins on 3. So the is downloaded in our system and we launch the instance. Now let's wait till the instance is up. Check pending mode. Till then, on the git bash, you can use command prompt also. I'm using git bash here. Well, let's a folder here. Paste our so first install SSH. If you don't have SSH installed, then you need to go to add addition optional feature. Yeah. Go to add optional feature. Okay. So here it is add an optional feature. Here click on add a feature and write your SSH. So it's already installed for me, so it's not showing here. If it would not be installed in your system, so it will show that open SSH here and click on that and click here install, so it will get installed on your system. And check with this command with this SSH. Okay. So if the command gives you the output like this, so your SSH is installed. Yes, let's clear the screen. Let's see the status of our instance running. Okay, so it's running. Now let's connect to it. We'll connect it through the SSH client. So copy this link. Okay, so copy the link from here and go to the git bash and go to the key, go to the place where you have pasted your key which was downloaded. For me it's downloads. Okay. So the key is here and now it's the SSH command here. Copy and okay. So now we'll log into our instance, Ubuntu instance. Let's wait. So we are logged into our Ubuntu instance. Clear the screen. Nothing. Okay. So now here we'll install our Jenkins. So we have steps already written here. First of all, we'll update our system or instance. Update it. Let's wait it. That gets update. I'll give all the commands. Don't worry. The description. So it would be easy for you. Okay. So after update, we need to install the our Java JDK. Yes. Yes. Let's wait. It gets installed. We are on AWS, right? So it will be the installing process will be very fast. Now let's copy. Now let's check after installing that the Java is installed or not, right? For the version, we have Java version right here, 11.0. Okay. So now let's clear the screen and go for the next part. Now we'll install Jenkins, right? So we need curl command. I'll give all the commands, don't worry. You don't have to type it. Okay. Give enter. The next part of Jenkins. Go copy and paste it. So now let's update again. Right? Now let's start. Now let's install the Jenkins. Installation is fast. So Jenkins is installed in our system and now we'll enable the service. Sudo systemctl. Right? We have enabled it. Now we will start our Jenkins. So before starting the service, let's start first. I'll get that afterwards. So Jenkins works on 8080 port. So we need to go to our instance and go to the security group. Instance. To the security part, go to the security groups and edit inbound rules. Add rule, custom TCP, port 8080 and anywhere. Now save the rule. Okay. Now again go to the git bash and status of our Jenkins started or not. Our Jenkins is running. Now go to the instance again. And copy the IP. Paste the public IP and port 8080 to get the Jenkins installation. Okay. So we have got it and now we will get our password from this. I'll say sudo cat So this is the password. Copy it, paste. Okay. So customize Jenkins. We will install suggested plugins. So go for this. Let's wait it to get installed. Take some time. Okay. So all the plugins are installed with the username. S3 hub. Now we'll save and continue. This is our instance configuration. Let save the link. Okay. So Jenkins is ready. Setup is complete. Now we'll log in into it. Okay. So this is how you can set up your Jenkins on a EC2 instance.